When you're looking at growth with your business, capacity is one of the biggest things that will hold you down. You're at a 25, 40, 50, 60K a month revenue area in your home service business and you can't get over to the next hump. Capacity is usually the reason why and I say we as business owners, we make it difficult for ourselves by not planning with capacity. I used to do this thing where we needed more space, so I'd go get space for about 10% growth, and then we would grow by 50% in the next 6 months, and I'd be out of space again. I'd have to keep going and doing that. And over a 2.5 year period, we leased 5 different spaces because we kept growing and growing and growing. And the problem was we couldn't grow to the next level until I got the next space. And so eventually I decided we're going to find a space that will help us grow to $3 million a year in annual revenue. And once I did that, our numbers flew up the way that I expected them to, but I had fear in finding the space necessary to increase our capacity.